Well, good morning. Today is, what is today? Tuesday?
Tuesday the 10th.
Thirsty Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Of course, you see who's with me today. Tires. Well, I'm trying to eat keto a little bit. Maybe I'll start looking better. I ain't no hoping that. Man, look at all that mail I have. Alright, here's my things for my new tires. And I need to go get a new tire. I need to back up and get my tire now in case I have a flat today. Well, this is the first yard. It's very high because today it's due last Friday. Today is Tuesday. So it's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is 18 days on this yard. That's what happened to your 2-weekers when it gets too wet to mow. So Mariah's going to take care of that. I'm going to mow the ditch with the walt behind. We're going to get this thing done. Well, the first one bit the dust. On our way to the second one, which would be Chris Lynch.
I thought a lot of.
What do you do with the check?
Oh, I put it in my pocket. Here.
You know what happens when they get put in your pocket? You get washed. Onward to the next one.
Does that one look?
Okay, here's the next one. This one here was supposed to be mowed last Wednesday. So today is, what, 13? Yeah, today be 13 days. And of course, we're a little behind on this one. It's really high, but I know Mariah will clean it up. Because she's a good girl when it comes to mowing these yards. I will take a...
For that lady.
This is a before. Y'all see what the yard looks like. Everything's way out of whack. Pretty grown up. So y'all, let y'all see what it looks like before we start. Alright, so me and Mariah's going to clean it up. Okay, here it is again. We got her cleaned up somewhat. It was a mess. Take a walk to the back. Really high, but we got her cleaned up. Took about 3 mowings. Not too bad. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, this is the next one. Right here where this road's at. You see all them cars over there? Now you see that ditch right down in there? See that ditch? So that old man that lived there came and told me to blow it toward the road. And I said, I will not blow it toward the road. I said, that is illegal. We don't blow grass in the road. He said, well, I always did. And the cops would stop traffic just so I could mow it out into the road. Mm-hmm. Right. I said, well, they won't do that for me. They'd put me in jail. I said, I ain't blowing it in the road. Especially all that traffic. I mean, God, people, you wouldn't believe how much traffic there is on that road. And so he said, I said, did them boys that mowed last time, did they blow it in the road? Yeah. I said, well, buddy, they're going to get it. And his wife said, no, they didn't. They didn't. They weed-eated it. But he's about to get me upset. And right before I left, she said, don't pay him no mind. He has Alzheimer's. So don't pay him no mind when he comes back there and talks to you.
Well, he said, you need to mow this again. There's too much grass on this grass.
Yeah, and she said he is so mean and violent to her. She said, she told him, said, you get away from me or I'll knock you down. And so he went down there to the garage. Oh. Because he got mad at her. Oh. And she's a big old girl. I said, Sandra, I think you could take them. One more yard. It is 6:05. I gave a bid earlier on a yard. It's 2 acres, $180. She said she's been having a bunch of high school boys do it. They ain't been doing a good job. Well, duh. Well, I said, I don't think you can afford a grown man. I said, I'm an adult with real bills. I ain't no high school boy. So I don't expect I'll be hearing from her. People, high school boys and their trashy work they do looks pretty good when it comes down to where you're going to have to go from paying $50 to $180. It would take me and Matthew 1 hour to do it. So anyhow, we're going to go do one more yard. All right, last yard for today. Matthew's going to read the comments on today's video.
Happy's family or Happy's lawn care said, you all are my favorite. Nice job. I'm glad you got the mower out. We'll experiment with the ants, but I don't think the rice work unless you wanted more ants. Can't
Yeah, they
see
don't.
the garden.
They don't work. Thank you. That's a very, very nice thing to say. I really appreciate it.
Says, good morning.
Boo!
Good morning, Wes and Mariah. Try that borax and powdered sugar for the ants.
We are
Because
going
you may
to.
just be surprised.
That's going to be next.
Cute
See if
Astro.
Mariah
You
got the
guys have a
borax
great
today.
day. God bless.
Who?
Same guy.
Oh, God bless you. Boom. We are going to try that. That's next.
Cinder Ann says, good morning, Wes.
Good morning.
Tell Mariah, I think those ants she's talking about we call sugar ants or piss ants.
That's what she always said. But I don't like her saying a cuss word.
Piss isn't a cuss word. They come out every spring, get some taro ant bait traps. Put them
She got
everywhere,
some. She got
water,
some yesterday.
food. They will be gone in a day or two. I have to do it every year.
She got some, I think, day before yesterday, and believe it or not, the ones inside the house are about gone already.
I have to do it every year. Great video, Wes. Thanks for sharing. Take care and be blessed. Happy trails to you.
Thank you.
Jay's Cut says, glad you're trying out the keto diet. Christina and I haven't had sugar or carbs since January 2020. Carnivore diet works for us.
I do like meat and stuff, but somewhere or
Isn't it
another,
a-
back in my day,
Isn't it a fat and protein diet?
yeah,
This one is just more fat and more protein.
yeah. What it does, instead of your body running on carbs, it learns to eat fats.
Yeah. According to Jeff said, hi, I hope your day is going good.
Thank you, Jeff. No, somehow or another, back in my day, they was always talking about how bad butter was for you and meat. That just stuck in my head so strongly. I'm afraid to eat very much meat because that's just the way I was brought up.
This red meat, that's too much red meat is bad for you.
Yeah. But they say now that's the way to go.
Pretty sure it's too much red meat.
I think that's a keto thing. Is that it?
Iceman 38 says that rice is good ant food.
Yes, it is good ant food. All right, Matthew, sing us out.
No,
Do you know the song?
no,
Huh?
I don't want to know it.
It's Happy Mowing. Sing that. I think you'll sing it.